Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is algebra pre-algebra class lecture 6. In this lecture, we want to solve two examples of sets. First example, uh, the universal set U is equal to x, such that x belongs to integers. X is less than or equal to 10, greater than or equal to 0. A is equal to x such that x is a prime numbers. B is equal to x such that x is a factors of 12. Then part A, draw a Venn diagram, show the informations. Second one, find these things. First, we want to solve this example. First of all, we want to draw the Venn diagram. Venn diagram, we want to draw the Venn diagram. It is city A and it is city B. City X is equal to U is equal to from 0 up to 10. But city A is prime number. We know the prime number 1, 3, 5, 7, 2. And also city B is factor of 12. Factor of 12 or 3, 2, 3, 4, 6. They are factor of 12. Here we have two numbers which they are joined. They are common in both sets. 2, 3. 2, 3. Here is the intersection of A and B. So we have to write 2, 3 inside the intersection here. 4, 6, 1, 7. 1 is not prime number. 5 and 7. Remaining numbers are 0, 1, 8, 9, 10. They are remaining numbers. Actually, we draw the Venn diagram from here. Now we can count union of B, A is intersection of B, all of them. First one, A union B, 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. They are union of A and B. A union B is equal to number 1. A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many number we have here? NA, okay. These two part we can find here. NA, it has union of B is equal to, it is number 7. And A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is equal to 6. Number 2. A intersection B is equal to, A intersection B is 2, 3. 2, 3. The number of these also, these two. Number of intersection in A intersection B is equal to 2 number we have. It is 8. A minus number 3. A minus B is equal to A difference B, 7, 5. 7, 5. Number 3. Here n n a minus b is equal to 2. It is number 9. Another one, number 4, b minus a is equal to 4, 6. 4, 6. Here, number we don't have we don't have n b minus a. Number 5. Number 5, a complement. A complement is equal to 4, 0, 1, 4, 6, 5, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. All these element which is not in A. N complement is equal to, n complement is equal to, it is both. N complement here, n complement is here. How many number we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B complement is equal to number 6. B complement, it is number 10. B complement is equal to 7, 5, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is number 6, B complement. All of them we find, all of them. A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, and B minus A complement, B complement, N of A union of B, N of A intersection of B, N of A difference B, and N of A complement A. It was the first example. Second example also we have another. We want to solve that. Here is a second example. If n of u is equal to 30, n of a is equal to 60, n of b is equal to 15, and n of a intersection b is equal to 5. Then draw a Venn diagram showing the information. Find n of a complement, n of a union of b. Third one, n of a union of B complement, n of A minus B, or n of A difference B. Here we first we want to draw a Venn diagram. This part A. Here actually it is A, it is B. We don't have the whole number of NA, so we can put P. Whole number of B, in this part we can write Q. Here N of A intersection B is 5, 5. And also here we don't have this number. Now we want to write the n of u is equal to p plus 5 plus q plus r is equal to 30. In fact, p plus q plus r is equal to 30 minus 5 is equal to 26. 26. Now we have n of a 5 plus p plus 5 is equal to n of a. P plus 5 is equal to n of a, we have 16. 16. P is equal to 11. Similarly, q plus 5 is equal to n of b. Q is equal to n of b, we have 15 minus 5, it is equal to 10. P is equal to 11, Q is equal to 10. Now, if you put here 11 plus 10 plus R is equal to 25. 25, 25. It is not 26, 25. Now, R is equal to 25 minus 10 plus 1, 21. R is equal to 4. It is the value of R. P is equal to 11. P is equal to 11. Q is equal to 10. Now, we want to find n of a complement. N of a complement, those elements which is not existing, n of a complement. Number 1, n of a complement is equal to q plus r. Q plus r shows the n of a complement. Q plus r is the element of outside of a. It is, they are q and r. Q plus r is equal to q, how many? 10 plus r 4. It is equal to 14. Number 2, n of a union of b. N of a union of b is equal to n of a plus n of a union of b. P plus q plus 5. P plus q plus 5 is equal to p 11, 10 plus 5 is equal to 26. Number 3, n of a union b complement. It is equal to, they are a union b. Complement of a union b is equal to r. It is equal to r. R is equal to 4. Number 4, n of a minus b is equal to a difference b. A difference b. It is equal to p. It is equal to p. It is equal to p is 11. Actually, here we solve two example about 6 example. Thank you.